people, it's Charles here, Agent Crew. We're gonna start this adventure map. This is gonna be the first part of it. I will be doing more. There's not only one. But I read this book, Save the Shire. I've only seen I've never seen Hobbit or Lord of the Rings, but I've seen the Hobbit number 2. Because like with my friends we went to go see this movie and we wanted to go see Jack of the Wolf Street, no, Jack Shadow True, whatever, something like that. But like we couldn't, so okay, man, attacker, tank, dwarf. Oh, I want to be Legolas. Ooh, nice. I like this. Lumbras bread. Okay, never heard of it. Let's try it. Okay, or Elvish Tiger. Power 3. Okay. 64 arrows. My beautiful head. With my glasses. Oh, let's read this. Legolas Elf. Class. Hunter. Attacker. Damage. Strong. Defense. Poor. Durability. Poor. Plus information on the following pages. Weapons. Oh, whatever. I guess we'll have to press on this. I'm ready to fight. Oh, book. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'll just take anything, just in case there's something that you have to collect. Oh, what's this? You must get a move on. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Oh, I can't open this. Can't open it. Pumpkin pie, bowl. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this. Wait, no. Let's see. At least I have more food than usual. Yes, I know that we have to move, but can we get the stuff? Oh no, this is bread, this is lemon. Is it different, eh? No. Oh wait before I press that lever. I've got something over here that I think I missed. Ooh, bed. I'll see. Hi, YouTube. Oh, I was so slow. Oopsie. That was a mistake. Trousers, just in case my armor breaks. Not cookie. Book. I don't know what I'm going to do with books. But if they're giving me some, I'll take it. So maybe I'll need to throw them into something. Some of these knots. Pants, shirt, boots. Okay. Oh. We should investigate in the book. Where's that one moon? East towards the moon. Where's the moon? Okay. Let me go check these other houses. Ooh. Whatever, just take everything and go. Go. Wait, what's in back of there? They're hiding something. I know it. I knew it. A torch. Okay. A book. Cookies. Yummy. I like cookies. But, oh, gosh. I will be doing another video right after this with my friend. Because right now it's 6:47. Yeah. 6:47, and I'll do another one, butter slap. You guys might have heard of it. I'm gonna do it. It's very fun. My friend's gonna kick my butt, but it's like, you know, when your friend is like a maniac at that, and you're like I suck sort of thing, and like I played versus him, and he's gonna clean me. Like, I don't know how I could beat him, but still, whatever. You gotta try. If I beat him, that's gonna be cool. Oh, I can't even take those toppings. That's what sucks. My hate is that there's no baked potatoes. Why would I need milk? Why? I just milked a cow? Oh, wow, good. Woohoo! Good for me. I milked a cow. Because I don't like cows. But I do love mushrooms. Oh, there's the moon. Do what you want with my body. Do what you want with my body. Do what you want with my body. Oh, let's carry around my bow with me. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I like this class. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I'm already an agent. Dance, dance, dun, dun, dun. Well, next time that I do a map, I should do it with other friends. Door won't budge. Okay, whatever. Let's just continue the journey. Door won't budge. Why do you only say that? It's very annoying. Like, really, seriously. What's here? Ooh, potatoes! Oh, that was horrible. Oh! Oh my god, that was horrible. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. If I carry it, next time I'll try and cut it out. Shit, I have another one. Come on. Okay, where's the path? Wait. Oh my gosh, ah! Whoa, you got gold. Okay, I got you. Now I'm gonna bow you, and then I'm gonna kick you with my bow. Now, choose what is it for cookies? I'm hungry for cookies. Okay, I think we have to go for there. Man, cookies. Maybe start. Ben. Yeah, at least we'll finish the cookies. Wait, which way do I have to go? Okay, let's see. Oh no, the moon should be over there. Yep. Ooh. I'm down with cold. Really? Second video of cold? That's not that good. But, who cares? Come on, there's nothing in here. It's like, I wanted a parkour map. But it looks like it's gonna be a new adventure. The Green Dragon Inn. Frodo. Ah! I hate you. Burn. What the? Where am I supposed to go? That's a fireplace. This is where some people sit. We can rest here before we get moving. Okay, I'll rest. But first, let's find the chest. Ooh, wow. Oh, why more cookies? Hey, I'm the bartender. What do you want? What do you want, eh? Anything. I got anything. I want to tell. Why am I lagging? I can't even do anything? Ah, finally. Oh, God. What's here? Oh, a little stairway. Why? Like, you guys tell me, if you guys have played on this map, tell me, why books? Like, I know they're really cool. Look, yay, we like to read. No. Exactly. Who would want a book? Unless it's useful. Like, maybe it's spells or stuff like that. Whatever. Okay. He said sleep. So I'll sleep in here. With a bow. So something. Oh, God damn it! I'm still not able. Come on. Ay, 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 caramba, caramba, raya, raya. He said to rest. Need to go back for the journey. Is it like always night? Like, is that normal? Oh, sorry for the lag. My computer live. How do you, oh, okay. I was gonna go right there, but why? That is so annoying. Doing more birds. Like really just. Oh, don't tell me that there are trees in my thing. Doing more birds. Who cares? Okay. So just open the door. Come on, man. Really? Oh, wait a second. Okay, I think a 15-minute video of adventure maps would be fun. You guys tell me. I think that 15 minutes each adventure map would be really cool. So, I'll see you guys later. Oh, no. No. It has been 15. Okay, so I still have a bit of time. So it's been 11. Oh. Something. Oh, no. It's just that live that I hate. Bottle or enchanted. And I'll take that. And I'll get those to me while eating a cookie. Yum, 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 yum. Yay, no more cookies. Woohoo! We're free from the cookie spell. Yeah! Woohoo! Cool. Ah! Whoa! Where'd you come from, little boy? Gosh. Oh my gosh, you scary. You guys are freaking me out. What's wrong with these? Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. I might have a cold. Yeah. I'll get over after, hopefully. No, more cookies. Oh, no. Woohoo! Yay! Ooh, okay, let's see. What else is there? The door won't budge! Yay! Oh no! The door won't budge! The chair won't? No, you guys suck. Go, go. This way? No, the door won't budge. Oh no, the door won't budge. Well, that was because you suck. Yeah, I said it. Good night. No. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh, just stop hitting me, okay? You guys have your privacy, I have my own. What's up there? Oh, I couldn't hear it. Even see that. Oh, stupid me. Okay, let's see what's in there. Chest, raw fish. Oh, I can go fishing. But that would be very boring for you guys, so no. And I hate fishing. Well, in Minecraft, it's very easy to catch fish. Like, there's no challenge or anything. Just like in real life, that's fun. Okay, I think like journey is continuing here. Let's see, right here. I think it's right here. So there it might be. The door won't budge. Oh no, the door won't budge. Oh no. What the heck? Just give it a try. How are you so fast? What? What? Say what? Oh no, not again with different fish. I gonna try you guys. Carrots. Oh. Like a boss. Woohoo! Okay, let's continue. I hope it won't be the door won't budge. The door won't budge. Oh no, the door won't budge. So you guys tell me. Have you ever played? If only there were some horses here. I prefer to walk. As dwarves, we have great speed over short distances. Well, shouldn't there be one? Eh? I want a horse. I'm bored. I need a horse. Lord, I've never asked for anything more. Just give me a horse. Come on. Okay, let's check in here. Oh, it seems big for a house. Is there anything in here? Oh, chest. Really, thank you for the helpful, useful materials. Wow, this guy was a helpful person. Hey, that's cool. That's cool animation. Okay. You? I don't like you. I do not want to kill you, but I still have to. And yes, if I run out of arrows, I will. Oh, you know what? Let's make this a bit of a challenge. Let's go quite pro. So when you're like this, you see that you're a bit bigger, and that everything's a bit longer. The one thing that's really cool, when you have speed 2, it's like you're like a spider. Like, look at me. Look at this. No. See, look out, spiders when you're fast. I like spiders. Why is there nothing? Okay, I have to go back outside. Yes, here it is. No. Can I break glass? Oh, hey. There's nothing that tells me I cannot break glass. So, what do you do? Oh no, I'm gonna stay with the boat. Let's go in here. Ugh, and hold up, controlling. Okay. Oh, sheer wood. Why did they give me wood? Thank you. But I'm gonna put those seeds back. Ooh, I know something so fun. Oh, big, I cannot see a thing right now. Why would I need this stuff? Okay, the wood, carrots, melons, I'll take. Wheat, I'll put back. Oh, in here there must be something. Like my bottle enchanting. Book. No cookie. Oh no, I cannot play like this. You guys want to see too? Ugh, that was horrible for inflation. Yeah. Oh, this is fucking up all my inflation. Wait, the golden purging. Well, I think we're gonna stop it right here. I made it a bit too long. So we'll start back by hitting in this and then continuing our path. So, I'm Agent True, and we'll see you later.